Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So this is a WhatsApp business or WhatsApp cloud API kind of video. So I'm going to guide you through the process of how you can remove your phone number from this platform, right? So make sure you access what with this website called developers.facebook.com/apps. Then you have to click where I clicked, or your account will be totally different with a different name. Then you have to go on the left side of the screen, right? Yeah, that's the left side of your hand of the screen. Then you have to click where it says, is it getting started? Yeah, under getting started, right? Then we have to look for our phone number, which we need to remove. In this case, either you want to deactivate your WhatsApp Cloud API number, right? Yeah, okay. So let's wait until we find our number so that we can confirm whether this is the number. Okay, let me check because my phone number is kind of like a network number. That's the one. Yes. Then I have to try to figure out where I can what change this number, right? As you can see on this one. So the last time when I was clicking around, right, I think I went to where it says configurations, because on this part I cannot I'm not able to access, right? Then let's wait. Mhm. Okay, there we go, right? Then you see where it says phone numbers, right? Then you click where it says manage phone numbers. Click on manage phone numbers. Then it will direct us to another web page, your web tab or a web page or a website, but that's the same thing. So WhatsApp, okay, manage home business. Then the your ID will be placed. The ID, okay, whatever. Let's just do what we do. This is the same ID which have been placed in front of this URL address, but you wouldn't use this part, but you can just follow step by step. Okay, right. So on this page, right? Okay, let me load it. Yeah, okay. So I have this one. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I have to click on this enter where it says phone number, right? Yeah, they need to redirect me to another web page which we need to deal with. Yeah. Okay, so probably you should show my number, and okay, now we are in within our look. So this is so nice, and I'm about to leave this, but I will be back when I know how to use the web books. So now on this one, as you can see, my phone number is connected. I'm from Zimbabwe in my company, and then you have to click where it says delete, guys. Just delete. Yeah, just delete. That's how you delete it, right? The Facebook dot or business dot what dot Facebook. Okay, sorry, but okay, change. Okay, change to WhatsApp business app, or change to WhatsApp. I just want to retain to WhatsApp, right? Change business service provider. No. Okay, yes, just delete. All right, this is good. Okay, Mtunzi has been okay. Let me pause and so that I can view my password. Nah, that's the one. Okay, it hasn't been needed. Okay, so that's good. So we're good to go. So let's say we're done. So what I can do, right? I can go to my phone, then I can register my WhatsApp, and that's a way of verification, right? Yeah. Okay, and okay. So on my mobile phone, right? So to check if this process have completed, right? I have placed my phone number, then I'm going to click OK, then I'm going to click next so that we can see if our phone number was successfully removed. If it registers successfully, then our phone number was removed. So okay, yes, okay. So if it does not bring me a message that wait for 1 hour, then we are good to go. We have successfully removed our phone number from our Facebook for developers. Okay, so this one is verifying, as you can see, verification complete, and we are good to go. Then I am able to use my WhatsApp or my mobile phone. Then I have to select whatever comes next. Then yes, no backup. I don't care about the backup. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. See you in the next video tutorials in exploration. Cheers. Bye for now.